Hi, I'm Linda Davis, and I'm really excited about a new class I'm going to be doing here at Portal Crystal Gallery. I'm going to be doing Touchless Acupuncture. Wow, what's that? I am an acupuncturist, but in this class I'm going to be using a combination of Reiki and Tong Ren healing, and we're going to be doing both of those during the class for all the people who come. So you've probably heard of Reiki, and you may not have heard of Tong Ren healing. So I'd like to talk about Tong Ren for just a moment to give you an idea. Tong Ren is based on the combination of the acupuncture system and Western biomedicine theory. So we use these little models with the acupuncture points on them, and we tap on different points. Now, how do we know what points to tap on? I talk to the individual person and I ask them, what are your concerns? What's your situation? And they tell me, and I know which points to use on the doll. So the way the class is going to work, we're going to start with a group Reiki session. So this is distance Reiki. So remember, this is touchless acupuncture. So Reiki and Tong Ren both use the chi system. So that's where they link together. We start with a group distance Reiki, opening and balancing, ready for everyone to receive. Then we go person by person for an individualized and specialized treatment of your particulars and concerns. And then we finish up with another group Reiki distance healing. So that's the class, and I hope you come. I'm really excited about it.